welcome back to our channel. It's Gus and Karla with KGC Realty Group, brokered by eXp Realty. So today we are in the beautiful city of Northlake, and we are checking out Windmiller Custom Homes. This is the first video we do about them, and I am highly impressed with their finishes. So they do have lots available. So if you're looking to purchase in the North Dallas area and looking to be in a great city, this could be the one for you. Some of their homes include, actually all of their homes include a 3-car garage, high vaulted ceilings, and they all range. Starting price is $720,000 all the way up to the high 900s. Square footage is about 2,700, and they go all the way up to a little over 4,000 square feet. So all of their homes come with high-end finishes such as custom built cabinetry throughout, high baseboards throughout the entire home. They also come with stainless steel appliances as far as the range hood, microwave, and dishwasher. So what else can you tell us about this?
Yeah, well, this is a very custom home. You can pretty much, build it however you like it, depending on the floor plan. Obviously, the floor plan is there, but you can customize it a lot to your liking. So this particular model home, guys, is up for sale. Give us a call for more information about this particular model home, as it's going to be up for sale as you see it, with all the finishes. And why not? So give us a call for more information about that, because it is available up for grabs.
Yeah.
So guys, I do have the specs on, sorry, I'm moving the table here. We do have the specs here on this particular model home. And they do start at a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath that has a study, formal dining, and it does have, this particular model home does have the mother-in-law suite, which it's very custom. It has a kitchen, full bathroom in there, so that could be a great option for you. So you can add that to the floor plan. It's and they all come with 3-car garages, so that's very neat as well, guys. It has I mentioned the study and the game room as well. So tons of things you can add to this floor plan, and it's beautiful. So we're gonna shoot the inside, guys, and I hope you enjoy it. Let us know what you think. Make sure to always, guys, hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and that notification bell.
Hey guys, well there you have it. We hope that you enjoyed this video, that you hope the walkthrough. Now remember, they do have lots available. There's not many of them, so make sure to give us a call right away so we can get you locked into one of these beautiful lots. Again, these are custom homes, high-end finishes, and you want to make sure to give us a call right away.
Yeah. I'm sorry, did you mention they're 90-foot lots?
I did not.
So they all sit on 90-foot lots, guys. So this is pretty big lot sizes here.
Yeah. So keep in mind, you know, these are a little bit close to 3,000 square foot, all in one single story, some of these. So lots and lots of space.
Yeah.
So give us a call if you guys have any questions about their homes, or if you guys want to check out any other of the builds that they have going on, or if you have any questions in general about the area. Again, we are in the beautiful city of Northlake.
Yeah.
And we would love to hear back from you. And do us a favor, drop a comment. Let us know what you like the most about this home. Let us know if you'd like to see more homes from this builder, and we'd love to hear from you. Make sure to hit that like and hit that subscribe button. It really does mean a lot to us.
That's right, guys. We'd love to hear from you, and then thanks again for your support and for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.